video, we will learn how to upgrade C6 firmware using JPW. Have you noticed this type of notification for firmware upgrades on your mobile? Whenever a new update is available from the manufacturer, we install it to improve performance. Similarly, in the C6, we also install firmware upgrades whenever they become available. Previously, this firmware upgrade was performed by the device care team, and sometimes field engineers had to return to the office to upgrade the C6 firmware manually. But now, you can do this with JPW only. Yes, a remote firmware upgrade using JPW is now initiated, where the latest firmware version is downloaded from the server, transferred, and installed in the C6, making the process faster, easier, and more efficient. Let's understand the complete process step by step using JPW screen. First, we will click on C6 placement. If a new firmware file is available on the server, GPW will notify us to download it. Next, we click on proceed and the new firmware is downloaded. Please make a note here that we can check the details of the latest downloaded firmware. To start the upgrade, we first need to connect the Wi-Fi alignment toolkit to the C6 using an Ethernet cable. Once the LED inside the C6 is stable, we switch off mobile data and connect our mobile to the Wi-Fi alignment toolkit over Wi-Fi. Now we proceed the upgrade in JPW, which involves 5 key steps. Step 1, checking the firmware version, after which a notification will come and we will click on continue. Then come a next step, step 2, which is about preparing for the upgrade, at which point 25% of the process is completed. Next, step 3, upgrading the firmware, reaching 50% completion. Step 4, rebooting the C6. This is a crucial step. You will notice that the C6 LED starts blinking, turns off, blinks again, and then stabilizes. Only after this stage does the Proceed tab become active in JPW, marking 75% completion. Step 5, checking the updated firmware version. Once all steps are completed, the firmware upgrade will be successfully finished at 100%. Finally, by clicking Proceed, we initiate the Fetch Site survey. Let's go through a possible scenario during the firmware upgrade. When you proceed to download the firmware and see a download failed message, then what to do? In such type of scenario, go to My Files on your mobile and open the download section. Look for the file starting with Mimosa C6X and delete it. Once deleted, proceed with the firmware upgrade and it should download successfully. Thank you.